Marjorie Barreto, madamdaming inalala ang karawan ng ama. Madamdamin ang mga pahayag ni Marjorie Barreto sa pag-alala sa karawan ng kanyang ama. Sa kanyang social media account, ibinida ni Marjorie ang video montage ng ama noong ito ay nabubuhay pa kasama siya at ang kanyang mga anak at apo. Ayon kay Marjorie, hindi may paliwanag na kalungkutan ang kanyang nadarama kapag dumarating ang September 29. Sa loob ng 4 na taong wala ang ama. Dagdag pa ni Marjorie na sobrang miss na niya ang ama na noon ay laging nakasuporta sa kanya at sa kanyang mga anak. Days leading to September 29 for the past 4 years have always been the hardest for me. I feel unstable and I have a certain sadness I still have not been able to analyze. It's your birthday again, Dad, and today I miss you even more than the past years. Grateful to God He made you my children's grandfather. Oh, how you made them all feel so loved and protected. You were there for all their milestones and their highest and lowest, and ever so ready with your generous hugs and jokes. You are such a great loss to us, Dad. But how can we match your celebration in heaven today? You must be so peaceful. Continue to look after my children and I, Dad. We love you. Happy birthday. Have a blast in heaven. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa sunod na showbiz news.